Namaste, hello everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone's life is filled with a lot of success and positivity because that is what I always hope for. So now directly let's go into the content. So today's or the coming IGTV content is going to be about every part of the body, the human body, every part and organ. So I will be giving you tips that the way you can strengthen that part of the body. So in today's video I will be briefing you about the eyes. So I will be starting off with telling you what are the asanas or the pranayama that you need to do, the foods that you need to intake, and also the regulations or the things that you need to remember when you have to keep a healthy and hydrated and a strengthened eyesight. Okay, so now I will be talking about the things that you need to do, basically your morning routine for your eyes. There are three important things that you need to follow, and once you start following these three important things, trust me, your eyesight is going to improve to another level. And even if you have a better eyesight already, then in the near future you would not get any power, or you have to wear spectacles for that matter. So the first important thing is, as soon as you wake up in the morning, wash your eyes with cold water, because cold water is going to help remove all the dust particles that have been settled inside your eye in the previous day. Number two is, once you're done with the washing of your eyes, you have to go to a place where you can directly see the sunlight. So the rays of the sunlight need to fall into your eyes. You have to stare right into the sun for at least 10 minutes until your eyes start tearing, because it needs to start tearing, right? Once it starts tearing, it means that you have done the best you can for the day. This is going to help. This exercise, that is looking into the sun directly, is going to help people who have high power. This will reduce your power immensely. Like in a month you can find great difference. So you can try that. And number three is so what you can do is, once you're done, after you are done looking at the sun, you can either take a pen, or what you can do is, you have to move your eyeballs in the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So what you have to do is, you just have to sit straight, look to the right, left, up, down, right, left, up, down, then go clockwise, go anti-clockwise, go right, left, up and down. So this is the exercise that you need to follow. This exercise is really going to help you strengthen your eyesight. Okay, and if you cannot do that, like if you cannot go clockwise, anti-clockwise, you can just take a pen. That is much easier. Just take a pen, move it to the right, in between, left, in between. Yeah, so you can do this as well. So these are the three important things that you need to follow once you wake up in the morning. This is really going to help you, like, to a great extent. Okay, number two is very important. I always emphasize this by being a dietitian, that the food you intake gives a great impact to your body. So even for eyesight, we have certain foods that you need to take in. Especially there are fruits, like the major one being carrot. You can have carrot, you can have beetroots, you can have sweet potato, you can have beans, you can have nuts that are soaked overnight, be it almond, walnuts, or any the dried grapes. You can have them. You can also do one thing. You can maybe on Mondays and Tuesdays you can have a beetroot and a carrot mixed juice, because that will actually give you the daily requirement for your eyes, because instead of having it, you can just have it as a drink. Apart from that, have a lot of citrus fruits like oranges or sweet lime, because citrus fruits is a great ingredient for your eyesight. So these fruits and foods will help to build a better and a greater eyesight. So you can start having these fruits from now on. So the number three is extremely important. This is basically about things that you need to keep in mind while you are working, like your between your daily activities, this needs to be an important thing. Take your eyes off the screen after every 30 minutes. Please put a reminders in your phone saying that, reminding yourself that I need to take my eyes at least 2 minutes, 2 minutes off the screen. And what are you going to do in those 2 minutes? Rub your hands, create strong heat energy, and just put it on your eyes and gently massage. This is going to keep your eyes hydrated. This is going to actually help your eyes to regain its strength. So you have to do this. This is very, very, very important to take your eyes off the screen. Number 2 is keeping your eyes hydrated. So you drink lots of water, or people who do not also drink water, this is a very easy thing that you can do. Maybe at least twice in a week would do. You have to put rose water or gulab jal inside your eyes. This will hydrate your eyes and improve your eyesight, because eyes also need hydration and we cannot give it enough hydration during the week. So you can do this, adding of gulab jal or rose water inside your eyes. And number 3 is also very important, that you rinse your eyes at least twice or thrice in a day. Twice or thrice in a day with cold water. This will remove all the dirt that has been accumulated throughout the day. So these are 3 very important things, or the 2 things that you need to do in a day. And I hope you have got a little bit information and an insight about the eyesight. And also people who have any problems related to eyes, or people who have high power or low power or anything related to eyes, you can DM me and I will help you out personally. This video was about the eyes, and that is all I wanted to say. And until then, just stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling, and smiling even more.